Wala pa po, Sir Deo. Kapapile lang po namin kahapon yung aming petition for the issuance of habeas corpus kasi naniniwala kami na kailangan ng makalabas si Sir Curly sa detention facility ng Senado base sa contempt order ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Irarapol pa yan mamaya, Sir Deo, kasi nag-iba na ngayon yung proseso ng pagpa-file ng kaso, civil or special proceedings. Ini-email muna, binabayad through e-filing, ganon, e-payment. Mamaya po ang rapol, malalaman natin kung kanino po napunta ang kaninong branch napunta ang petition po namin.
Bakit kailan pa kasi mag-file ng petition for habeas corpus sa Atty. Samaniego? Ba't di na lang kayo mag-request sa Blue Ribbon Committee para mas madali? Para hindi ba sila magalit sa yung kliyente?
Actually, Sir Deo, if we go back to the September 18, 2025 hearing, immediately thereafter when Mr. Diskaya was ordered in contempt the Blue Ribbon Committee, I immediately filed a motion for reconsideration for the lifting of the contempt order. However, nag-adjourn na po yung Blue Ribbon Committee. The motion for reconsideration was not acted upon by the members of the Blue Ribbon Committee. And then, nung September 19, the following day, as counsel, I filed an urgent motion to resolve the motion for reconsideration. However, it was not acted upon again by the Blue Ribbon Committee or the Senate as a whole, Sir Deo. So, wala ho kaming ibang recourse kundi pumunta sa korte, dumulog sa korte po kasi alam namin na hindi po sapat yung dahilan na nagkaroon lang ng further explanation si Mr. Diskaya ay nagsisinungaling na siya.